What's up, future AI mobiles? Andy Cole here from the AI Marketing School, where we make marketing magically profitable. Ever wondered how people are making thousands, no millions with AI businesses? What if I told you you could do it too, even if you've never written a line of code or touched an AI tool? Stick around because today I'm handing you the exact blueprint that turned a zero experience guy like me into a multi-million-dollar AI entrepreneur in just 2 years. And the best part, it's super easy to follow. Ready to crush it? Let's dive in. Now, before we dive into the gold mine of AI business opportunities, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the AI revolution. It's here, and it's not just a buzzword. AI is reshaping the world as we know it. And guess what? The old ways of making a living, those 9 to 5 as you're used to, are disappearing. Yeah, that's right. According to PwC, by 2030, 30% of jobs could be automated, and AI will wipe out entire industries. No career is safe. Not even the ones that seemed untouchable like law, accounting, or medicine. And this is a big, but the cool thing about AI is that while many are going to get left behind, there's going to be a small group of people like you who ride the wave and thrive. These are the people who understand AI, build businesses around it, and make money in ways we never thought possible. And today, I'm going to show you how to be one of those winners. So buckle up. All right, here's the golden question. How do you start an AI business from scratch? Well, I've been there, done that, and built multiple businesses in just 2 years, racking up $3 million in revenue. And the best part? I didn't know anything about AI when I started. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 AI businesses you can launch right now, even if you're a total beginner. First up, AI influencing. Picture this. The world is scrambling to understand AI, and you get to be the translator. Not the techie guru, but the guide who makes AI easy to understand for everyday people. I got my start in AI influencing on YouTube with zero experience, and within 7 months, I hit 100K subscribers. What? Here's the deal. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to understand a little more than the average person. Talk about AI tools, explain how they work, and share tips in a way that's fun, digestible, and relatable. Boom, you're in business. Ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and video sponsorships can make you anywhere from $2,000 to $55,000 per month. But, and here's the watch out, it's a grind. You gotta post consistently and build trust with your audience for at least 3 to 6 months before the money starts rolling in. AI influencing is perfect for anyone who's comfortable with a camera. But if you're camera shy, don't worry. You can write blog posts or tweet, though just know that video content, especially YouTube, will get you the fastest results. Next up, AI consulting. Picture this. Businesses are stressed about how AI will impact their operations, and you're the expert they turn to for advice. They want to know which tools to use, how to implement them, and how to future-proof their business. I started charging $300 per consultation call, then scaled it to $997 a session. And trust me, businesses are willing to pay for this advice. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree. You just need to know more about AI than your client and be able to communicate it clearly. In my first 4 months, I was pulling in $4,000 a month just from consulting. Watch out, you're trading time for money. While the cash is great, it's not the fastest path to long-term wealth. Plus, let's face it, answering the same questions over and over can get real repetitive. If you love interacting with clients and solving real-world problems, consulting might be your perfect fit. But if you want something more scalable, keep listening because we're just getting started. Now we're getting to the serious stuff. AI automation agencies, or the AAA model. This is where businesses hire you to implement AI tools that save them time or make them money. It's like running a website design agency, but instead of building websites, you're setting up AI systems for them. And the cool part? You don't need to know how to code. I launched my own agency in 2023, and in just a few months, we scaled it to over $100,000 per month. The key? Using low-code and no-code AI tools, which means anyone, yes, even a beginner, can create AI solutions for businesses. My student Isaiah scaled his own agency to $225,000 per month without knowing how to code. Pros: low startup costs, huge demand, and scalability. You can start small and grow fast once you pick up traction. Watch out, it's more complex than AI influencing or consulting. The learning curve is steep, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be positioned to make serious money. If you like the idea of building something bigger than yourself and working with high-ticket clients, this model can pay big, but it'll take some hustle up front. Fourth, AI education. If you're the type of person who enjoys teaching others, this is your jam. From online courses to ebooks to webinars, you can build educational products around AI, helping people learn how to use AI in their businesses or everyday lives. I've done it myself, and it feels incredible to teach people and help them win. Once you create a course or ebook, the profit margins are amazing. It's a one-time effort with recurring revenue every time someone buys. I've built relationships with my students that last for years, and hey, I even went to one of their weddings last month in Italy. Pros: high profit margins, scalability, and the ability to teach others while you make money. Watch out. It takes time to become an expert and build a valuable educational product. You can't fake it for long in the education space. If you have a passion for helping others learn, this is a great model. Just make sure you've got real experience or knowledge that people find valuable. And last but certainly not least, AI SaaS, software as a service. This is where you build a software tool that solves a specific problem for businesses. Think of it like creating the next big thing on the web like Netflix, but instead of movies, you're selling access to an AI tool that businesses can't live without. In 2023, I built an AI SaaS that helps AI automation agencies like mine integrate AI tools into messaging platforms like WhatsApp and websites. The response was insane. The demand for tools like this is only going to grow, and the beauty is, once you build it, you can scale it massively. Pros: high scalability, massive potential, and once the product's built, it can run on autopilot. Watch out. This model requires more technical expertise, or at least a solid team behind you. It's not as easy to get started as the other models, but once you do, the rewards can be huge. And hey, if you're thinking this all sounds complicated, stick with me. We're simplifying every step at the iMarketing School. This is a journey, not a race. The goal is to keep learning, keep evolving, and keep earning. All right, enough talk. What's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments.